yeah, here's the deal. Turn food to soil, it's a big meal.
Magic in dirt, that sounds so weird. You're saying old food just disappears?
Is this a trick or is it true? Tell me now, I need a clue.
Composting's cool, it's nature's trick. Takes old food and breaks it quick. Worms and bugs, bacteria too.
Munching, crunching, make a new goo.
Wait, worms eat trash? That's kinda wild. But hey, I like it, it's nature's style. So I can toss in fruit and bread, and soon it makes a garden bed.
Oh, compost, let's break it down. Rot it, toss it, spin it round. Turn that waste into soil so rich. Nature's recycling, it's a switch. Oh,
Apple cores, carrot tops, eggshells, leaves, don't let them drop. Throw them in a bin, give it some air. Let the microbes do their share. But wait,
can I toss in meat, cheese, or candy? That'd be sweet.
plastic, metal, what about that? Can my old toys go in the vat?
Nope, no meat, no dairy too. Plastic won't break down, it's true. Only food scraps, leaves, and sticks. Nature knows just how to mix.
So I just pile it up, let it decay, and soon I'll have soil. No way, no way.
Plant some flowers, veggies too. All from leftovers, who knew? Oh, compost, let's break it down. Rot it, toss it, spin it round. Turn that waste into soil so rich. Nature's recycling, it's a switch. Now spread that compost, watch things grow. Tomatoes, flowers, all in a row. A little food turns to dirt so fine, helping Earth one peel at a time.
I'm in, I'm ready to start today. Saving scraps, no throwing away. It's kinda fun, it's kinda rad. Compost makes the earth so glad.
Oh, compost, let's break it down. Rot it, toss it, spin it round. Turn that waste into soil so rich. Nature's recycling, it's a switch.
So don't throw it out, just give it a spin.
Compost is gold, now let's dig in.